and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am doing a Daily Harvest review. This video is in collaboration with Daily Harvest. They sent me a big box of all of these delicious, healthy, plant-based meals, and I'm really excited to show you my favorites and how easy they are to prepare. So basically you go on the Daily Harvest website and choose your meals, snacks, drinks that you'd like to try. They get sent to your door. It's a box that keeps all of the items frozen, so you just open up the box, put everything in your freezer, and when you're hungry, you pick out an easy lunch or dinner and follow the super easy instructions, and that's it. Usually it's just remove the lid, place in the microwave or to warm up on the stovetop, and enjoy. I do have a coupon code for anyone who's wanting to try this out. It is MELISSAA, and you save $25 on your first box from Daily Harvest. All right, let's get into it. For breakfast, I am having this acai and cherry smoothie. I don't know about you, but I love berries and cherry. That's what's inside. Super healthy. We've got some kale. And fill cup to top with preferred liquid. I'm gonna use water and a splash of unsweetened soy and blend it up. Pouring it back into the same container and drinking it with a straw, a metal straw. That's really good. For lunch, I'm gonna make this harvest bowl. I've had this one already and I really like this. It's super yummy. I like these harvest bowls because they're filling, they're hearty, and they are so easy to make. Again, you can make these on the stovetop, but I'm gonna use the microwave, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of water and heat for 4 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna stir it up too. Just adding the water in, and I'm gonna microwave it for 4.5 minutes. If you like spice, you can add some chili flakes to this, or if you have leftover rice, you can have this with a side of rice. So easy because there's no mess from chopping everything up, and it's just easy. If you're working at your computer, just pop this in the microwave, it's ready, and you have something super healthy and delicious to eat. So good. All right guys, it is nighttime and I am going to have a little snack. I'm gonna have something that Daily Harvest calls scoops, and it is dark chocolate with coconut, maple, spirulina, peppermint, and vanilla. And again, everything is plant-based, so of course this is dairy-free. Apparently somebody got to this before me. Alex says this stuff is absolutely delicious, and I'm just glad that he left me some so I can find out. I'm gonna leave it out for a couple minutes because it's quite frozen right now, but I'm excited to try this. Yum. This is so tasty. Morning. For breakfast today, I am going to make an oat bowl, this one here, and I'm also going to try a latte. This is a ginger turmeric latte, and I have not tried this yet, so I'm pretty excited to give this a try. I have had this pumpkin chai oat bowl before, and it is delicious and very easy to make. So if you don't have a lot of time and you want something tasty and easy, this is definitely highly recommended. And all the instructions for each of the meals are on the back. So all you do is add in a half a cup of your preferred milk and microwave for 2 minutes. You can also make it as cold oats by soaking it overnight, but I'm just gonna have this in the microwave, and I'm going to be using unsweetened soy milk. All right, I'm just gonna put this in the microwave. It smells absolutely delicious. So, this container actually comes with 3 latte pods inside, which are really cool. Run hot water over sealed latte pod for 10 seconds. And you can have it hot or cold. I'm gonna have it hot. So pop into a pot or microwave safe mug, add 1 1/4 cups of your preferred milk. And for stovetop, I'll do microwave. For microwave, heat for 1 to 2 minutes, stir and enjoy. Okay. Okay, that's what it looks like in the inside, and it says to pop this into the mug. And I'm going to add 1 1/4 cups of my soy milk. And putting it in the microwave for 2 minutes. If you love pumpkin and cinnamon, you are definitely gonna like this. Ooh, I like this as well. Turmeric has so many health benefits. All right, it is dinner time and I am going to be making this tomato and cremini cauliflower flatbread. I've actually had this one already and it is so delicious. And the base of the flatbread is actually made with cauliflower. So the soup I'm having it with is a mushroom miso soup. I just think these two go really well together. And something I like about this one is that if you are on a low calorie density diet, this soup is actually oil free. So you can find the full list of all the ingredients on the back of these containers. If you are a fan of mushrooms, then I highly recommend this soup. It's got cremini mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, organic reishi mushroom powder, and it is super flavorful. I've tried quite a few of the Daily Harvest soups so far, and this one is up there on my favorites list. I am going to make the flatbread first because it takes 20 to 25 minutes in the oven, and then I will make the soup. So you place the flatbread on a baking sheet and put it on the center rack of your oven or toaster oven on 450 for 20 to 25 minutes. And for the soup, you add 1 cup of water and you can cook it on the stovetop or in a microwave, which I'm going to do. You just keep it in this bowl and heat it for 4 to 6 minutes, and you have to just stir it halfway in between. All right, it is ready, and I'm just gonna add some chili flakes because I like it spicy. And I'm going to do the same with the soup. It smells delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my coupon code is MELISSAA and you save $25 off of your first box from Daily Harvest. I hope you have a beautiful day. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.